Name is Kiran Makkar, and today I'm going to uh, discuss modals in brief. Modals are verbs in English, and these can really change the meaning of the sentence. If used correctly, these modals can take your writing band score up by one band at least, and these must be used to add meaning to your writing and speaking. These modal verbs can be learnt better if you compare them with your own native language, and in our case the native language is Punjabi, so I'll be making Punjabi sentences along with to make the meaning of these modal verbs clear to you. The first modal is can. Can is used to show ability. Kar sakna, काबिलियत. I can run 10 miles. मैं 10 मील दौड़ सकता हाँ. Students can enroll in classes. Students classes ਵਿੱਚ ਦਾਖਲਾ ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਨ. Can you call me? ਕੀ ਤੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ? You can leave now. ਹੁਣ ਤੂੰ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ. It cannot be Ravi standing there. ਇਹ ਉੱਥੇ ਖੜਾ ਰਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ. Could. Could is used for past ability, for the past tense of can, and then for politeness. It has got two functions. I could run fast when I was a child. ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਛੋਟਾ ਬੱਚਾ ਸੀ ਮੈਂ ਤੇਜ਼ ਦੌੜ ਸਕਦਾ ਸੀ. Could you do this work for me? ਕੀ ਤੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਇਹ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ? He could not be here at the party. ਉਹ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ ਸਕਦਾ ਸੀ. May. May is used to ask for or to give permission. May I come in? It may rain today. And this is the second usage of may to show possibility. It may rain today. So when the chances of raining are 70 to 80%, we use may. Otherwise, we use might. Might is also used to show possibility. It might rain today. The meaning is the same. But if the chances are less, then we use might. आज शायद मींह पवे. मींह पै सकता है आज. It may rain today. हो सकता है आज मींह पवे. So अगर 70-80% चांस है मींह पैन दे, we say may. Otherwise we say might. Should is for salah, for advisability, for advice, and to show obligation. जो ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ काम ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ करना है, that is obligation. To show expectation, कोई उम्मीद, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਵੀ should use ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. You should try the new restaurant. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਨਵਾਂ restaurant try ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ. I should work hard. ਮੈਨੂੰ hard work ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ. You should receive my letter in 2 days. ਮੇਰੀ letter ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ 2 ਦਿਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ. Ought to is the same as should. It is also used for advice. And you ought to exercise regularly. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਰੋਜ਼ exercise ਕਰਨੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ. I ought to work hard. ਮੈਨੂੰ hard work ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ. Must is used for necessity. ਬਹੁਤ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਹੋਏ ਜਾਂ ਕੋਈ prohibit ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਕਿਸੇ ਚੀਜ਼ ਤੋਂ, ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਮਨਾ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, then you say must not. I must call my parents today. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ ਮੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਅੱਜ ਆਪਣੇ ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਕਾਲ ਕਰਾਂ. You must not cross the street on the red light. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ red light ਤੇ street cross ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ. Prohibition. Have to is also necessity. Mike has to work hard. I have to work hard. And will is used to indicate future or कोई promise करना है or to show willingness. He will leave for Chandigarh at 7 a.m. वो सवेरे 7 बजे चंडीगढ़ ਲਈ चला जाएगा. The government will provide assistance to the earthquake victims. This is promise. Will provide. Government provide karegi assistance. The new car they have developed will run on gasoline. This is a truth. Gasoline te chalegi, to state a general truth. Will you help me with these boxes? This is a polite question. कि तू मैनू इन्हां नाल help करेगा इन्हां नू boxes दे नाल. Would. Would is used to ask a polite question. Would you help me with these boxes? Would is also used in place of used to. Used to जो काम तुसी past ਵਿੱਚ बार-बार ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ use ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ. I used to go to the temple daily when I was younger. which used to means कि हुन नहीं मैं करता वो काम, not anymore. So I used to go to the beach every day. I would go to the beach every day when I was a child. So you can use would in place of used to. And here I have also taught you the usage of used to. Used to is used for the past. Whenever you used to do something a lot of time. I used to uh, write essays every day, but not anymore. Hun nahi. And used to and would is also used for the future time in the past sentence. Mohan promised that he would help me with my math homework. Mohan ने promise ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ कि ਉਹ ਮੇਰੀ help ਕਰੇਗਾ math homework ਵਿੱਚ. So future time in the past ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ would use ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ. Would rather is used to show a preference. ਇਹ ਦੋ words मैं ਨਾਲ वैसे समझा ਦਿੱਤੇ ने. Would rather, I would rather eat pineapple than mango. Preference है. Would rather eat pineapple than mango. Would like, to express a desire. I would like to go to business school. So that is a desire. Then one modal I have missed here that can also be added, and that is shall. Shall actually has very little use nowadays, and most of the grammar books are not using it anymore. And it is mainly used with the first person, I and we. I shall go there, I shall do it. So it is just used with the first person and I and we. Now it is less used nowadays, and whenever it is used, it is mostly used with the first person. That is I and we. I shall go there. मैं उत्थे जावांगा. I shall help you. मैं तेरी help करांगा. So like that. So this is all about the modals in brief. I hope you have enjoyed them, and I hope you use them nicely in your essays. You know, in the IELTS essay, if there are some facts about these modals I'd like to share here. Uh, Whenever you have a modal in any question, ਜੇ ਕਿਸੇ question ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ modal ਹੋਏ, ਉਸੇ modal ਨਾਲ ਉਹਦਾ ਜਵਾਬ ਦੇਣਾ. Please answer back in the same modal. For example, if there is a question, what should the governments do to help the people? The question means governments ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ. When you speak the answer in Punjabi, you will say governments ਨੂੰ ਆ ਵੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਵੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ. So your whole answer should have should. The government should do this, the government should do that. And if the question is what can be done, ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, the whole answer will have can. ਆ ਵੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਕੀਤਾ. This can be done, that can be done. So the whole answer will have can. So this is very important. Whenever any question has any modal, then you have to have that modal in your answer, and your answer will automatically turn out to be correct. So, and another thing about these modals are always followed by the first form of the verb, never any other. So I should went there is wrong. I should go there. Okay, they are never followed by the any other form of the verb, only the first form of the verb. And so I hope you've enjoyed the class of modals, and now you will start using these modals in a nice manner. Thank you.